calling Social Security Administration Department. This is Officer James Miller from the Social Security Administration. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm returning. James Miller. Hello, James Miller. How you doing? We talked before. How you doing? You still scamming, huh? Still getting up every day and scamming. How you doing?
I'm fine. How about
We've
you?
we've talked many times before. How's your day so far? Any luck? Any bites on a Saturday? What are you eating? What are you eating? Oh, I'm interested. What do you like to eat? It's different over in India than it is in the United States.
I eat idli dosa.
What is that? I'm curious. What is that?
Idli dosa. Do you know that?
No, no, no. I'm not. I don't know my Indian food.
You can go to the Indian restaurant and you tell that it's South Indian restaurant. You can tell that I like to eat idli dosa. What?
Dosa, Indian food. Hold on a minute. I'm looking it up
Idli
right now.
dosa. Yes. Yes. Idli dosa.
Paleo dosa? No.
Dosa. Dosa.
Dosa. Okay, it's a. Let me see. It's a crispy crepe. And what do you put in it? What do you put in it? What do you fill it with? You don't eat beef, so you probably eat chicken or pork or something.
Thank you for calling Social Security Administration. How may I help you?
Yes, I was talking with James Miller just a second ago, and we got disconnected. He was eating his dosa, and we got disconnected.
Okay, James Miller, stay online.
Yeah, he was eating his dosa, and he was telling me what he puts in it, and we got disconnected.
Social Security Administration Department. This is Officer James Miller. How can I help you?
Yeah, James, we were talking about the keto dosa. You were telling me about it. What do you like to put in it? I got the recipe right here.
Thank you for calling Social Security Administration Department. This is Officer James Miller. How can I help you?
James, come on. We're talking about the keto dosa. Why don't you tell me about it? I want to know more. It's like a taco, right?
Thanks for calling Social Security Administration. How can I help you?
Yes, I was talking with Officer James Miller about making some keto dosa, and he was explaining the recipe. I was very interested. You know, I don't eat Indian food, and I want to know how to make it.
James, well, who's the person you talk with?
Officer
Can you
James, Chutia Officer James Miller.
James Miller.
Yeah, and he was telling me about making keto dosa. He said it's a South Indian breakfast type of food.
James Miller.
Yeah, yeah. He's a real chutia, don't you think? He's a real chutia, James Miller. He can be a matachode. He hung up on me like 4 times. I just want to know about keto dosa. That's all. He was eating it while we were talking.
जैसी इमरजेंसी है ना वैसे घुस के 1 मिनट में करके आ जाना. Fuck you motherfucker asshole.
Teddy Makachut.
I'll
Gandu
तेरी
matachode
माँ का
basarike.
भूसड़ा, तेरी माँ का भूसड़ा motherfucker.
Oh, you're Bihari. You're Bihari beggar boy. Yes, you are.
Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck
Why,
my
you
dick.
gay?
Poor people. Poor
You
people.
gay? Chutia?
Thank you for calling Social Security Administration. How may I help you?
Yeah, hi. I was just talking with James Miller, and we got disconnected. He was telling me how...
Department of Social Security Administration, how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a recipe on how to make keto dosa.
Thanks for calling Social Security Administration. How can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to know how to make keto dosa. Please, can you teach me? I was talking with Officer James Miller, and he was eating keto dosa. I just want to know how to make it.
Motherchut Gandu.
Teddy Make Bosara.
Thanks for calling. How can I help you?
Can you give me the recipe for keto dosa?
Thank you for calling Social Security Administration Department. This is Officer James Miller. How can I help you?
James Miller, I want to know how to make keto dosa. Tell me. How do I make it? Marachod. How do I make it? I want to learn. It comes in chocolate or what? You can put chocolate and berries? It says it's everybody's favorite Indian breakfast dish. I want to learn how to make it. It looks very good. It looks...
Go and check the internet.
I am. I'm looking on it right now, but you know, I'm sure your mother probably has a good recipe and you could give it to me.
No.
Why? I want to learn. What's another good Indian food to eat that would be very tasty?
Tandoori. Do you have a tandoori?
I don't know. You have to speak a little louder. I can't hear you.
Do you have a eat tandoori?
No. How do you spell that? Let me look. How do you spell that?
I'm sorry.
How do you spell it? So I can look it up.
It's a tandoori chicken.
Oh, it's a type of chicken, a chicken dish.
Yes,
Oh, that's
correct.
cool.
It's a
That's cool,
like-
man.
it's
That's
a
cool.
spell- It's a spell like T as in Tom.
Hold on. Oh, T as in Tom. Hold on a minute. T.
As in Tom. A as in apple. N as in Nancy. D as in dog. O as in Oxford.
Tandoori
As in
chicken.
Oxford. Yes, that's
Ooh, this looks good. Hold on a minute. This looks good. Tandoori chicken. You can make it on the grill, chicken legs, marinated lemon juice, yogurt, and aromatic spices. Oh, I'm going to have to go to the Indian spice store and get all these spices.
yes, and you like that. And
I
you
love
roasted
chicken,
that
yeah.
chicken.
I love
Yes,
chicken.
that roasted that chicken, okay?
See, isn't it nice talking about something like this rather than trying to scam? This is nice. I'd rather talk to you about good food and, you know. It's no good scamming, dude. Try to find another job. Hey, thanks a lot. So you turned me on to tandoori chicken and you turned me on to keto dosa. I'm going to look into that. I'm going to make some. And when I make it, I'll think about you. And maybe after today, you go home and say, hey, I talked to a nice guy that told me to stop scamming. And maybe I will.
You
All right?
like Maggie. You like Maggie.
Do I like what?
Do you like Maggie?
What is that? Maggie?
It's Maggie. It's a noodles.
It's a noodle.
Like noodles? Yes, noodles.
Maggie, hold on. How do you spell M-A... Wait a minute. Maki noodles. Hold on.
It's Maggie noodles.
Oh, M-A-G-G?
Yes, M-A-G-G-I.
Oh, M-A-G-G-I. Maggie noodles. Jump to noodles. Oh, it's a brand of noodles. Okay.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, it's just a brand. We have different brands here in the United States too. They have like egg noodles and different kinds of like a ramen noodle and
And do you like Manchurian?
I don't know. You have to speak up a little louder. Your microphone is very low.
Do you like Manchurian?
Manchurian?
Yes, Manchurian.
M-A-N-C-H-U. Manchurian noodles. Yeah. I've had those. Yeah.
Okay. And do you like momos?
Momos. Hey, what is like a real popular street food that you guys like to eat over there?
Street food?
Yeah, you know, some that they sell them in the street, you know, the carts and stuff and, you know.
Yes, that like noodles, Manchurian.
So you have to be careful though, right? You have to make sure that the owner is clean, right?
Do you like egg roll?
Oh, that's all Chinese stuff. Egg rolls and noodles, yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
Because I mean, that would be more like the food that they'd eat up in like Nagaland, Northeast India. You know.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. So. Yeah, I mean, I love to eat food. I mean, are you Christian or Hindu?
Do you like fish?
Oh, I love fish. Yeah, I live on the Atlantic Ocean. Oh, codfish. Oh, I love fish. Yeah.
Okay, which fish you love?
Yeah, but you have to be careful there in India. You don't want to eat fish from the Ganges, that's for sure.
Sorry?
You don't want to eat fish from the Ganges River, that's for sure, in India. That would be bad.
And do you like
What is the big popular like chain of restaurants? Domino's is very popular there, right? What about Subway? Is that very popular in India?
yes, that's correct.
Subway and Domino's. Not so much McDonald's though, right? Because not so much beef. Because that's kind of against a lot of religion.
KFC also.
KFC, yeah, we have a lot of that here too. Yeah.
KFC is very popular in India.
Yeah, I find India fascinating. Where are you guys? Are you like in Mumbai or New Delhi, that kind of area in the city?
Every Saturday, Sunday, I go to KFC.
What do you like? The crispy chicken?
Yes, crispy.
Crispy chicken, yeah, I like that too. They make these chicken bowls with the mashed potatoes and the chicken and the gravy. That's good too.
Right.
Yeah.
Crispy balls.
How many rupees does it cost for a good dinner at KFC?
It's 500 rupees.
500 rupees will get you a good dinner?
Yes, that's
But you know, 500 rupees is still a lot of money to some people, you know?
sorry.
500 rupees is still a lot of money to some people in India. Very much.
No.
I feel bad for the babas and the homeless people. But you make your life the way you need to make it. So, all right. Thank you for talking with me and not being, and at least we could talk about something good together instead of, abusing or, trying to scam,
Friends or
you know.
we are just friends, right?
Yeah, that's all I want. I have no reason. You're on the other side of the world. You know what I mean? There's nothing I can do.
So you can come India. I can meet you.
Yeah, but if I come to India, I want to go to all the call centers and I want to close them down. I want to find them and I want to close them. All the scam centers.
All right, no problem.
That's what I want to do, but the government is too corrupt.
I live in New Delhi.
Yeah, there's a lot in New Delhi, huh? They're all over the place. Mumbai, New Delhi, Gujarat, everywhere. Everywhere. It's time for you guys to be the solution to the problem and not the problem.
I also live in Gujarat. My born is Gujarat.
Oh, you're from Gujarat.
Yeah. No, my born is Gujarat.
Oh, you were born in Gujarat.
Yes.
Cool,
Born in
cool.
Gujarat.
It's
And
a,
I live in right now. We are settled in New Delhi.
yeah, it's a.
Settled in
Your family is in New Delhi?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. Now, who do you live with? Do you live with roommates or do you live with your family?
I live with my family.
Do they know what you do?
I'm sorry?
Do they know what your job is?
Yeah, I know that.
No, you don't tell your mother and your father that you're working for a scam. You don't tell them that. You lie.
I tell that I'm going to scam from United States people.
And what did your parents say?
My parents say that it's good.
Why?
Ahead. Because I give that money.
Yeah, but what
I
about...
earn money in this job, and I can give that my mother hand. Hold the whole of the money.
Yeah, but you know the money is bad money. Blood money. It doesn't matter? It doesn't matter where it comes from? Because you don't... I get it. See, it doesn't matter where it comes from because you don't see the people that you can hurt. So it doesn't hurt you. because you don't see the other side. You know? You don't see the turmoil that you cause. You know? It's all right, man. You do what you got to do, man. I don't condone it. You know, I know that scammers don't last long. Okay? And there's no future. He hung up. All right, fuck him. He doesn't care. All right, there you go, guys. We got some Indian food to talk about, and yeah, a little bit of conversation. All right, everybody, take it easy. Yes, sir.